Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. We got, I don't know, maybe a ½ inch of snow last night. But what happened was everything was wet and froze overnight, and then we got this tiny little bit of snow over the top of it, and it is just so incredibly slippery. The plow that you just seen there has been trying to get this road sanded for quite some time now. He was sliding down the hill back here. Oh, I don't know if something happened to him or not, but it's so slippery we could not get our four-wheel drive truck out or the minivan, just sliding sideways and stuff. Luckily I got both vehicles back in after trying to get out. This hill is quite steep. It may not look like it from here, but if you back out and then you have zero momentum, trying to start out and go uphill is nearly impossible when it's like this. The big thing is ice underneath the snow, and a thin layer of snow like this is worse than a thick layer. If we would have got 2-3 inches overnight, then you're just driving on top of the snow. The way this is, the snow packs into your tires and then they become skis on the ice. Let me see if he went off the road over here. Might have to do a rescue. Oh, jeez. I almost slid down the hill. Whoa, this is slippery. So I don't know if I'll be working on this stuff today or not. This is still set up, so it's probably good to go. I wanted to go up on the roof and sweep some of this snow off so it melts faster. May or may not be a good idea. All right, so right now I'm waiting for him to finish up so I can get in a vehicle and take Natalie to school. Then I'm going to come back and see what I can get done on this and walk the dog and all that other fun stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, I have a camera mount right here, and I'm going to set the camera up on that as soon as I get it started. Well, Natalie can, there's Natalie, she can hold the camera while we attempt to go up the hill. They got a lot of sand on the road, so hopefully, see, the thing is right here, if you go too far back when you're backing out of this driveway, you go off the side of the cliff down into the dry lot. Show them the dry lot, Natalie. Okay, at the school, safe and sound.
Gotta go, Izzy, Izzy.
All right, say goodbye, Iz.
Izzy, I gotta
Mama's
go.
gotta go.
Izzy,
no, you can't. You can't hold her in.
I gotta go, honey. I'm
I know. Bye, honey.
sorry.
Have a good day.
Bye, Izzy.
All right, come on. Iz up front. Okay. You know the routine. She'll be back later. Okay, an exciting start to the day. Izzy watches the road. I know I'm talking about you, honey. She gets real concerned when we're going down hills or around curvy roads or all that stuff. She's a very interesting dog. Alright, I made it back, but not out of danger yet. I gotta get into the driveway without sliding into that pole. Still slippery here. Okay, just gotta walk the dog and then get to work. Okay, my crazy dog. Finally getting to walk the dog. It is already past 1 o'clock in the afternoon. What a crazy morning. I had like some emergency work to do on my day job, and I've put in 5 hours on that, and then the whole snow issues here. So I don't know how much work I'll be able to get done on the addition. The roof is completely wet and the ground is muddy around there, but I'm going to give it a shot. If I can get one or two, well, if I get 2 pieces of the house wrap on, I have one side completely done. That would be awesome. I have, what is it, about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours before it's dark. So, you know, it's dark at 4:30 now, so we'll see. So I'll get back with you in just a couple seconds at the addition and see what I can get done today. She sees a deer or something. She doesn't want to do her cool off. Okay. We have a delivery truck going to the neighbors, and I think he slid off the road, but looks like he's back on now. What a day to get a delivery. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. Pretty chilly out here. I'm gonna set up this 8-foot step ladder. It's really uneven here, so and it's muddy, but it shouldn't be too bad. And it's wet, so I have to dry this stuff off as I go so the tape sticks. But and I got to deal with that dripping water. I have to cut going around that. It shouldn't be too bad. It was dripping here yesterday when I did that. So I'm going to see what I can get done. I'm thinking this is going to just take 2. I cut them last night, so let's get started putting these on. right, that'll wrap it up. It's going to be dark soon. Next is this stuff here. I need 2 slats there, 2 slats there, get rid of the squeeze out, and then more of this stuff all the way across. I think I'm pretty low on some of the materials, so I'll probably have to run to town and get that. I got enough tape, but staples is kind of iffy, and I really don't know on the house wrap. I think I got enough house wrap to do the whole thing, but that remains to be seen. But it should be easily enough to get this side done, and these 2 are by far the most important. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you like the video and or share it, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.